And looking at System Architect, you can create other types of visual reports, and visual reports such as analytic reports. So System Architect has an analytic function that enables you to run metric reports on information in the repository and then visually indicate the results on the diagram. So I'll open up a report that is called an application landscape. And this application landscape report shows me a diagram that shows several service components. So let me zoom in on the details. Here for the business domain, business administration, and again that's for product division 1. For business administration, we have several different service components of the business administration category. So for example, we have account administration, business planning, branch store operations, purchasing, etc. And within each of those service components, we see the breakdown to the lowest level for the actual services. So for account administration, we have account creation as a service, account deletion, and account maintenance. So we're looking at our services as they break down hierarchically from the business domain. So looking at this, we like to look at an analytic report, and let me zoom in on the key for this particular type of analytic. And this analytic, let me zoom back in. This analytic shows the key here that shows we'd like to see all services in red that are services that are supported by applications hosted on servers out of support by the end of 2009. In orange, we'd like to see services supported by applications on servers out of support before end of 2010. In yellow, services supported by applications on servers out of support before end of 2011. And in cream, services out of support before 2012. So let's run the analytic to show the visual results, and we can look at this heat map, and the heat map allows us to run the analytic. So for example, I can choose to run any of all of these analytics for services supported by applications on servers out of support between a particular date. So I'll run the 2012, the 2011, 2010, and 2009. And we'll just see how these services change colors. Here we're running the analytics, and the heat map manager is showing me all of the analytics that apply to this diagram that I have open. Running the analytic, here I see the results of my services. Okay. So that's the visual analytic, and you can perform that on diagrams and run metrics against the diagram.